Point number one, opportunities. Say what? I'm talking about opportunity. Listen, project management really truly opens the door to diverse industries from technology to healthcare, construction to finance. And the unique thing about project management, family, and the reason why I'm so passionate, I'm so obsessed with this thing called project management is because of that. There's so many opportunities. Like sometimes people get so caught up in the IT of things that they forget about the other aspects, what I just mentioned, which is healthcare, which is finance, which is construction. A project manager, if you've watched any of the videos thus far, you know that a project manager, we're like a chameleon in a sense. Ooh, I like that. I think that may be my new thing. We're like a chameleon. Well, an exceptional project manager is like a chameleon. They should be able to fit in, plug and play. They may not have all the details of the industry just yet, but the whole thing, because that project manager is a life learner, it shouldn't take them long to get up to speed. And when I say shouldn't take them long, that's depending on what the ask is. But if the point I'm really driving home is that this is project management creates so many opportunities in different organizations. So if you're out there looking for a project management role, just don't get stuck in IT and say, oh, well, there's nothing available in IT for a project manager. I'm not going to do that.